Claude has launched a new small but fast coding model called Haiku 4.5. The crazy thing is, this model is better than Sonnet 4 in terms of the SWE benchmark. So here you can see, in terms of accuracy, this model is better than Sonnet 4 and even better than GPT-5 in SWE benchmark. So since they have specifically given it for SWE benchmark, I think it's a specialized model for coding. And the great thing about this model is, even though it's a very small one, it has great performance and gives the response in twice the speed but just in one third of the cost. I will show you the API cost later. And here they have given who will be requiring this particular model. Who want real-time, low latency, chat assistant, customer service or pair programming, they will require this particular model. So here we are having the main comparison between GPT-5, Sonnet 4, Sonnet 4.5 and 2.5 Pro. So it comes better than Sonnet 4 in literally all the cases over here. But when it comes to GPT-5, I can see only a better percentage in the SWE benchmark. But apart from that, GPT-5 is better in other stuff like we are having the science, math thing, everything. GPT-5 is way better. Even in agentic, you also uses also GPT-5 is way better than the Haiku 4.5 model. And if you want to try it, just go to the Claude website, and it's even available in the free plan I'm having over here. And this is the pricing. We're having Claude Haiku 4.5. So it's just $1 for 1 million input tokens and just $5 for 1 million output tokens. So that's way cheap when compared to the other models that we had, like the Opus 4.1 and Sonnet 4.5. So that's really good in the API price. If you want to try it out, just try it and let me know, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.